Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today, I'll show you how you can find or recover password for a Wi-Fi that your computer has been connected to. Just a note, this procedure will only work for a network that your computer is presently or have previously connected to. It's not going to work for network that you haven't connected to at all. I'm using my mobile phone as hotspot, which I connected my computer to, so let's get to it. So this command will show all the profile of Wi-Fi network that your computer has been previously or presently connected to. As you can see, that is the network that my laptop is currently connected to. The second command will show you the password for a selected Wi-Fi profile. As you see, I've chosen the Wi-Fi profile that my computer is connected to, and that's just the password that's going to be revealed to me. That is the password of the Wi-Fi I'm connected to. But if you really want to export all the Wi-Fi password for all the network that your computer has been connected to, and it's just going to export it to your C drive. All you have to do now is to go to the local drive of your computer, and here you find all the file that has been exported. They are all the Wi-Fi password. All you just have to do now is to open it with a Word or Notepad, and you'll find all the password. There you go. That's the network name and that's the password, like I've shown in the first command as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.